Welcome to ZOOMERS RV of Wabash, Indiana. This is a new 2020 Salem FSX 181RT. This 21-foot 8-inch travel trailer toy hauler has a 13-foot 5-inch garage, weighs just 3,204 pounds. It sleeps 4 people. The garage itself is 7 foot 1 inch wide. As you take a step back here, you will see the 3,000-pound ramp door. This toy hauler MSRPs at $22,191. Is available for the ZOOMERS low price of $13,270. It's as little as $129 a month. ZOOMERS hassle-free on-site financing. As you can see, this toy hauler comes equipped with Wi-Fi Prep. It also has an LED light strip underneath the awning. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. This camper has everything you need to haul your toys and have a comfortable camping experience. So if you go from this door here to the bed, that is 13-foot 5-inch garage space. If you go from this door to the pantry door, that's 5 feet 3 inches. Again, this is 7 foot 1 inch. You go from wall to wall. Also, it's good to know that if you go from the pantry door to this wall, that is 157 inches. So that should give you a good idea of what kind of toys you can haul. It's a very efficient toy hauler. As you can see, there is a screen door. What I like about the screen door is that it is magnetic, making taking on and off a breeze. We have some storage here. This fold-up bench. This table, which is of course removable. If we turn around, we can see that our TV hookup is right here. Good proximity to our bench. We also have some storage and a USB port over here as well. Let's take a look at our walk-in pantry. See, this is a very spacious pantry. You can use this as a wardrobe. Just remove these shelves very quick and easily. Let's go and take a look at the restroom. We have our foot flush toilet, a mirror, as well as our shower. We also have a nice kitchen with a refrigerator, 2-burner cooktop, large basin sink, microwave and cabinetry space. We have overhead cabinetry, as well as our queen bed. You'll notice the nightstand and charging station. Again, this is the new 2020 Salem FSX 181RT. See this camper and more at ZOOMERSRV.com. Thank you.